people I know can't drive.
I'd say at least 70% of the population can drive.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my morning routine and what that looks like for me. Now every day is the same, but for the most part this is what my morning routine looks like every day as a whole. My husband David and I love to have a cup of tea first thing in the morning, so I make it and get ready to start stretching. We have implemented this morning routine for 2 weeks now. We tried to see if it would stick and if it would work for us, and it did. We now love doing our stretches in the morning, followed by our devotional and meditation. after some quiet time, we are definitely very hungry by now, so we make breakfast. We recently have fallen in love with porridge again, so we make it and add our favourite toppings. Bananas, honey and cinnamon, and we nearly forgot our peanut butter today. This is honestly the best combo for our porridge and we love it. On mornings that we have a bit more time, we like to watch something. So this day we watched an episode of Better Call Saul. We absolutely love this series, totally recommend.
Pouring hundreds of tons of concrete at a secret underground location.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry, Mike. I had too much beer.
Then it was time for some skincare. Then I had to take David to band practice. Let me know in the comments if you would like a more detailed video on my skincare. Feel like I could do this as I have been doing my skincare for a couple of months now and have been really noticing the difference on my skin.
Percentage of people can drive.
Not a lot. I feel like everyone, like most people I know, can't drive.
I'd say at least 70% of the population can drive.
Can drive?
Yeah.
What about all the kids?
Yeah, I stand by my statement, 70%.
Nah, I reckon.
We have an ageing population in this country.
I reckon 30% can drive.
No, 70% can drive.
Not 70.
Put it in the comments, guys. What do you think?
I reckon.
70%. Well, I'll look it up now.
Alright then.
Where's my phone?
I still think it's about 30% to be honest.
Oh, latest estimates show that in 2021, about 77% of English residents aged 17 and over. Oh.
You said of the world.
No, I was talking about the UK.
Obviously, you said the world.
Well, no, it's
You
the
can't
world.
just say the
There's too many
UK.
factors to calculate the whole world in there.
I thought you were talking. I was imagining the whole world. That's why I said 30%.
Oh, right. No. I was just talking about the UK. Estimated 34.8 million people held a driving licence in 1992. Well, that's just England. The proportion of adults with a licence in England was estimated at 67%. 67. So I was close, but not right, because if you included children as well, it would be a lot lower.
Yes, that's what my point was exactly. Good morning everyone. This is the first time I'm talking to you this morning. I've just dropped David off to church, as you would have seen, and I'm now gonna go home and get ready, and then I'm gonna come to church too. He has to come early because he plays at the band, so he's gonna be playing bass today, and then I will go to church later. I'm just doing band practice at the moment. So yeah, it's been a very relaxing and productive morning for us. so we're very pleased. And today's a Sunday, so it's great to be able to have a longer morning routine. Normally we would do, you know, a meditation and devotional and all of that anyway, but today we got to watch a bit of Better Call Saul as well, so that was good. But yeah, on Sunday it's definitely nicer to have a slower one, and we got to wake up a bit later. We normally wake up at 6, we woke up at 6:45 today, so that was good to have a lay in. And yeah, and then for the rest of the day we've got dinner at David's parents, so we're looking forward to that, and I'm excited to not have to cook on Sunday, so that's good. And yeah, so now I need to go home and get ready.
I'm now back home and it's time to tidy up a bit. I always have to make my bed in the morning. I honestly feel like my brain can't function properly if my space is a mess. Then it's time to get ready for church. I honestly apply such minimal makeup these days. Feel like I'm always rushing around and don't have spare time to do a full face on a day-to-day basis. I then prepare my big cup of coffee for church and head out of the house. After church, David and I went to grab lunch. This was absolutely delicious. David had a full English and I had a bacon and brie bagel. It was so good. And that is it for my morning routine, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll see you all next time. Bye bye!